got some pics of you on the road, man.
Oh yeah.
I was like,
Oh, on this.
you're at the lights.
Oh right, cool.
It's like, ding, ding.
Do you have a strap on it?
I should probably get one, man. Yeah.
How'd you get it out?
I just put it in my pocket.
Oh right, okay. You want to put your bike this way?
There?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this one will bring it in a bit more. I'll turn that one a bit more like that. Yeah.
Is that your one?
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah. They're a weapon, eh?
Yeah, it's scary.
How many horsepower? 220, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. My bush is about 190 now. I've pumped it up a bit.
Oh yeah?
Lifted the tank slightly, get more air in the airbox.
Yeah.
Power commander on it. Yeah, it really cracks now, man.
Yeah.
They all look good.
Yeah. Thanks.
All right, mate.
I'm so stoked with this bike. I love it and I hate it. I love it because it's powerful, it looks good, it looks sick, it sounds good. That sounds so good. And you got 4 different modes. You got rain, road, dynamic, and race. I'm gonna try the race. It's so snappy. It is so whoa. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. And I hate it because, you know, knowing myself, it just seems a little too dangerous, man. It's dangerously fast, so you need to have a lot of maturity riding this bike, a lot of throttle control, and you just have to be quite mature riding this bike because it is very powerful. It's literally like a hot knife. And yeah, that example is probably the best example I can give you because hot knife cuts butter like nothing. And you also have to be careful because the knife is hot, so don't burn yourself. I just came up with that on the spot. So yeah, treat this as something like that because it is a very dangerously fast bike and a very powerful bike, but at the same time it gets you out of tricky situations. It's fun and it just looks so good, especially in this color, in metallic black, I think. What is it? So black storm metallic. So yeah, it's a cool bike. There was another color, I don't know what the exact name was, but man, that color looks good as well. It was sort of like a bluish gunmetal gray. Check this out. Shifter. It's just out of habit. Look at that, quick shift. So smooth. No jerkiness, nothing like that. That's a quick shift. That is fast. What happened here? Someone on the e-bike on the freeway.